This is lesson 5 in unit 2, variables and constants. So we already know that variables are used to represent unknown information. So the variables can be letters or symbols, just like the symbol pi. So it says some also include constants. So constants are things that do not change, or they change very little over time. So, for example, here's some constants. So constants never change. So they always stay the same. So what are things in life that always stay the same? Oh, don't even go there. Okay. Now it says some familiar ones. It says Wednesday follows Tuesday, always. The speed of the Earth in orbit will always be the same. The distance between planets, that roughly stays the same. The value of pi is 3.14 approximately. The speed of light is 3 times 108 meters per second. That also stays constant. Other constants, 24 hours in each day, 7 days in a week. In 1 week, we've 52 weeks in 1 year. Okay, these are constants that never change. So hours in a day, days in a week, weeks in a year, months, also 12 months in a year. In 1 year. So those are constants. Think of time, 60 seconds in 1 minute. 60 minutes in 1 hour. So those are all constants. These will never change, okay? I'll give you a few moments to write those down. And now let's think of some variables that do change. So if we're going to write a few variables, so, whoops.
Oh, I just used something like calculator.
Okay, variables. These change. Okay, so that's the difference between a constant. A constant never changes, and variables do change. So what kinds of things would change? Well, one thing that would change is our age over time. Our height.
Yeah, not for me.
Okay, our height over time. Okay, so those kinds of things change. So when we're talking about variables, those are things that do change. And this concludes variables and constants.